In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Outlook Meeting without sending notification. This is perfect for those times when you want to tidy up the agenda, refine notes, or swap in a new attachment without triggering an email to every attendee. Start by opening your Outlook calendar and double-clicking the meeting you want to adjust. This opens the meeting window so you can make edits. The key here is to limit your changes to content that doesn't affect the attendee list. Update the agenda in the body. Polish your notes or replace attachments as needed. Avoid adding or removing people and steer clear of recipient list changes. Those kinds of edits almost always force Outlook to send an update. Once your changes are ready, save without sending. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Then close the meeting window. If Outlook prompts you with a message about sending updates, choose No or Do Not Send. That tells Outlook to keep the changes in your copy of the meeting without notifying anyone. If you see that prompt repeatedly, double-check that you didn't accidentally alter the attendee list or make other changes Outlook considers impactful. Keeping your edits to agenda, notes, and attachments is the safest route. If you want an extra layer of control, or if Outlook insists on creating an update, use the offline method in the desktop app. Go to the Send Fail Receive tab and select Work Offline. This temporarily disconnects Outlook from the server. With Outlook offline, open the meeting, make your changes, and click Send Update. Don't worry. Because you are offline, the update won't leave your outbox yet. Next, open your outbox and delete the pending message, so it never goes out. When that's done, head back to the Send Fail Receive tab and turn off Work Offline to reconnect. Your meeting will be updated locally and on the server, but no notification will be sent to attendees. A few quick tips as you use this approach. Keep your edits transparent in the meeting body so anyone who opens the invite later can see the latest information. If you must change something that affects attendees, like who's invited, plan on sending an update, as that's the right thing to do for clarity. And always remember to turn Work Offline back off so your mail keeps flowing normally. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.